You're going to Disney and you're not sure what you're gonna need in your park bag. Well, here's everything we keep in our bag. So grab yourself a cup of something and let's chat. All right, well, I started going through all of our items that we keep in like literally a container for between trips, but I saw my ears and I'm obsessed with them, so I had to put them on. I know it's a lot, but if you get it, you get it. All right, so in our park bag, we do bring a reusable water bottle. We like the ones that have tops that are just like this with no straw, because we found out if it does have a straw and you have it on the plane and you go to flip the straw up, or maybe it's a twist one and the straw pops up, it just gushes like a volcano. So when we are traveling and when we're going to Disney and we're gonna be in the parks, we just take one that is just a flip top. Now, every park bag, I understand, like if you're like, nope, we use quick service for water cups and you already want to click away, don't, because you need to have moleskin pads, or moleskin, I don't know how you want to say it, for your feet. Like blisters happen, whether it's on the backs of your heels, on your toes, and I'll link these ones below. They come in big sheets. Now I have cut them down so that I have various sizes and not just one big sheet, just because obviously you can't take scissors into the park. But you do not want to be mid-park day and your feet are just killing you. So you can throw one of these on, and it's not just a Band-Aid, and at least be able to make it a little bit more comfortable to walk around, because not sure if you heard, but you will put some miles on your feet when you're in Disney. But also, Band-Aids. I know I just said not Band-Aids for blisters, but accidents happen. I have a little one. He's not walking around yet, but I'm sure that we are not too far away from bruised knees. And I know you could go to the first aid center or the baby care center and get stuff, but I would rather just throw a couple in my bag. Now, for this, I forgot to take this out of my Ziploc. Okay, so along the same lines of things rubbing, it is hot in Orlando. I like the Mega Babe Thigh Rescue, so I rub it on my thighs almost every morning. Sometimes I'll wait until we're in the park a while so that I do not get chafing, because chub rub would not be fun at Disney, especially when you got miles to go. So listen, it happens. If you need it, you need it. I'd rather use it and be like, it is what it is, rather than be embarrassed and end up with chub rub and be uncomfortable. All right, so for weather, oddly, rarely see bugs in the park, but also don't know if it's because of this. I just threw a new one in here after our last trip. It's a bug bracelet. I'm not like spraying my little guy with any type of bug spray, but just in case, it does get muggy, it does rain. I throw this one on the stroller. I don't actually wear it, and we've never had any issues. Also for weather, sunscreen. I like Blue Lizard for my little guy, because the top will actually turn purple when the UV rays are really bad, and then I just use regular Neutrogena for myself. But even when we go in January or February, we load up on sunscreen, because you will still get burned even if it's a little cooler down there. We also throw in our little packed medicine container. This is just a travel medicine holder, just for like anything like Tylenol. Sometimes we'll throw in like charcoal pills just in case we have anything that doesn't agree with us, as well as my vitamins, because I do take a couple vitamins throughout the day. Of course, sunglasses. It is very sunny, and beyond that, I just personally sometimes like pictures of myself better with sunglasses, especially if I'm sweating and my makeup is running. with that being said, I also do throw in, I'll do a full face of makeup in the morning, but then I'll throw in just a travel concealer and a travel mascara to touch myself up if I feel like I want to do that throughout the day, or we have a dining reservation, just to feel a little bit more put together. You touch everything. There are a million people there. You're touching handles, getting into rides and doors and tables and etc. I really like the spray hand sanitizer, but of course any hand sanitizer could work. But if I am at an event where they're giving away free hand sanitizers, I am always grabbing one. Apparently, I think that my family gets a lot of stains on their clothes because in our storage bin for our park bag essentials, I had 2 Tide to Go sticks. So that just makes it easier. We also do throw an extra change of clothes for my husband and I in the car. We always have a car when we go. We just, as much as people talk about how much they love Disney transportation, and it is great, we just want to be able to go where we want to go when we want to go. But we do bring 2 extra outfits in the park for our little guy, and in case he gets us messy and it's something that could just be handled quick without a change, Tide to Go. Also, I carried them before I had kids. I like wearing light colors, and I'm not the cleanest eater, I'll be honest. All right, just have a couple more. Oh my goodness, what is my mouth doing today? I need more coffee. All right, I do take in an extra pair of contacts. I wear contacts. I do not want to wear my glasses in the park. I could not imagine being on rides with glasses. God bless you to all of you who do. I'm not comfortable doing that. And I would be devastated being in the parks and losing a contact for God knows what reason and not being able to see everything. So I do throw in an extra pair of contacts just in case. And then, of course, a portable charger. We know when we're in Disney, we are on our phones almost constantly, to a point where I feel like we spend more time looking at our phone than we actually do looking at enjoying the park. But anyway, our batteries, of course, die, so we do take in a portable charger. This one is an Anchor portable charger. I'll see if I can link it below. I'm not exactly sure where we got this one. But this one we can get usually an entire full charge and then plus like almost like 75-80% a second time. So we usually just take one in because then we can use it for both my phone and my husband's. Now, I hope that you have found this helpful. I was going to also show you my park bag, but it's honestly nothing special. Plus now that we have a kid, we just use our diaper bag and just kind of put all of this in one Ziploc bag and throw it in there. Oh, I forgot one other thing, a raincoat. I don't care what the weather's going to be in Orlando, I always have a raincoat. So I'm sorry that I forgot to grab one. Anyway, our park bag honestly is just, it's a leather backpack just because I wanted to make sure that it is completely waterproof and I don't have to spray any chemicals or anything on it. And then it has pouches on the side for our water bottles. And yeah, just kind of a plain black leather bag. I don't think I got it at Amazon, but if I did, I will try to find a link and put it below. But if you made it to the end, I thank you so much for your support. If I do put any links below and you do click on them, it does not add any additional charge to you, but it is a way of supporting me and my channel. And as always, thank you for coming for the friendship, but staying for the organized chaos. Bye.